Now we are introducing the newly released Equalizer. We press Auto Equalization. Sometimes the clamps might fall loosely. We can try reclatch or swap the position. After we have changed the position, we can notice from the pedal the string 1 and string 10 they are abnormal. Alarm alert is triggered, implying a wiring error, so we should put back the clamps to their original strings. So when we are swapping the position of their clamps, not even a slightest spark could be seen, because the protection function integrated in this model. Plug and play is supported. When it's under charging mode, we can still try swap the clamps, their position. After alarm alert triggered, the charge and discharge is paused. We press return and restart the process. And now it's normal again and charging at 10 amps.